Grill Sergeant here, and on today's show we will be doing beef chuck, otherwise known as poor man's brisket, otherwise known as burnt end. And I'll be using the Weber 26. Let's start the show. For today's cook, we will be using Weber charcoal briquettes. As you see, I'll be using the snake method. For today's cook, we will be using farter stars. Okay, at this point we will check out our meat and see that our meat looks pretty good. And there's my friend Tommy over at the Gallery of Backyard Barbecue, and of course Uncle Steve's Shake. And we will apply a healthy heating amount of dust on both sides of the meat. And of course, being that I'm from Cali, I like to slap my meat. Thank you. And I am going with a salt, pepper, and garlic. And as we see our coals are ready, I will start at the snake method. I will be using some oak wood. I will bring my grill up to temperature of 275 to 300 degrees, where I will cook the internally of 170 Fahrenheit. And I will then cube up the meat. But first off, this portion is being brought to you by Voodoo Ranger. Oh, heck yeah, I'm from Cali. And as you can see, my meat has been brought up to temperature of 170 degrees. I will spray my meat down, and then what I will do is cube my meat up. Cube my meat up. And I am going with the no wrap method of burnt ends. So I will cube my meat up into 1-inch chunks, just like this and like that. After all, I am the grill sergeant, and I can do anything I want. And you can see the juices are running. I will get my meat chunked evenly at approximately 1 to 1.5 inches. I will then add it to a tin with 1 cup of dark brown sugar, a dash or 2 of honey, excluding the cap, your favorite BBQ sauce, around 1/4 cup, and 1/2 to 3/4 of a stick of salted butter. Just like that. I will cover my meat, and I will cook it at 300 for approximately another hour to 2 hours until toothpick tender. Now that my grill is up to temperature, I'll get my meat back on. You see I'm keeping it away from the coals because I do not want it to burn. And just like that, we are looking good. I'll add another quarter stick of butter in, a little BBBQ sauce. That is a BBBQ sauce. And this is very hard to not be me, because I want to say, all right, everyone, my name's Tommy, and this is the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. But I know I can't do that, so. At this point, what I'm going to do is jack up the tin and just keep that meat in the BBQ sauce to bring it up to a nice simmer, kind of like and then I'll move it to the, I'll move it out of the liquid into the center until we get candy. And that is looking pretty candy to me. And yes, that is my cat who wants some candy. And at this point, off camera, yes, we are toothpick tender, and I will take these bad boys off. And as we take some close-ups of this cook, you will see that Andrew, the fuck's his name? The grill sergeant, is one hell of a cook. This is a no wrap, poor man's, burnt ends, melt in your mouth candy. And I would like to thank Tommy from the Gallery Backyard Barbecue's recipe, of course. And you could see that is pretty pull apart perfect. Oh, heck yeah. And listen, I want to thank everyone for joining in. I want to thank the Grill Sergeant for the little switch of roles. This was a lot of fun. And until next time,